Look at the audio levels here. I stopped my video right at about the mountaintop, the peak, and I checked where the audio is. Now, -20 to -25. This is a little bit quiet. The best kinds of audio, the most smooth sound that will sound the best on a headphones, I think will be between -5 and -10. So I need to raise the audio level of the video. Let's find out. You have to use a function called filters. If you cannot see this filters tab, go over here to view, filters, and turn it on. It can also be Control 6. Next, I click on master. This means it will change the audio for the entire video. If you want to put a filter on that applies to every single clip in the whole video, click on master. Then I click on plus, go to audio. There's many different filters that you can use to change your video, to add effects. And if you're interested in adding any different effects, please let me know during class. But in this case, I want to use one called gain volume. Click on it, double click. Now, I can use this slider right here to raise the volume of my video. Check it out. See how the audio level goes up here when I drag this slider to the right? It raises the overall volume of the whole video. All right, good morning, afternoon. Welcome. And now the audio is a lot louder and much easier to hear. To lesson 1, where we will discuss the concept of flipped learning. Another filter that you might want to use is a text filter. Is that in a typical classroom, a teacher will first use the S button to choose a clip that you want to create the text, and click on the clip on your timeline. Add video. These are all of the video filters here. There's many choices. Let me know if there's any video effects you would be interested in your video. And I'll find one called text, simple. And in here, I can write down any words that I want to appear on the video. Good. Now, you can choose the colors of the font, the outline of the letters, and the background. I'll change the background, that way it's easier for the viewer to see. You can change the size of the text by changing the size of the box, similar to on a PowerPoint. You can change the location of the box by clicking and holding in the middle bar here and dragging it around. A teacher will give a lecture and students will listen and take notes. Outside of class, so that filter applies only for this clip, so that way I can figure out exactly what points I want the text to appear. Now maybe I want to copy this text but on a different clip. So if I want to copy this text and put it the same way onto a different part of the video, I will click over here. This is the copy filters function. Copy, then click on the clip that you want to drop it in and hit the clipboard. This will paste all of the copied filters onto your new clip. Boom! And take notes. Outside of class, students have the responsibility of completing a homework assignment where they apply the lessons and the concept of the in-class instruction. However, in a flipped classroom, okay, so you've edited all of your clips, you've added any text, you've changed the audio, the length is good, it's only about 5 minutes long. This should be a good video. It's time to export. This will take all of the different edited clips on your timeline and turn it into one single video file. Click over here, export file. Choose a location. I'll put this on the desktop and give it a name. This is called Flipped Lecture. And check this file type, MP4, that's good, and save. Now you'll see up here in the top right, it will tell you the progress. It's taking a little bit of time. Usually these videos can take about 5 to 10 minutes to render and export. So the time is loading. Once this reaches 100%, your video is finished. So I hope you found this editing tutorial helpful. Please let me know what questions you have. What questions do you have about the editing process? What other kinds of effects do you want to put into your video? I look forward to hearing from you next class. And until then, cheers!